wani abu a gidanta?
Su ji sun ɗauka suna ciki a ina waje.
Sunana Shamsu Hassan.
Shamsu Hassan. Me ya kawo ka police station?
An kama mu ne robbery a Katamfe.
An kama ku robbery a Katamfe. Kai baka jin turanci?
Kaɗan ne.
To kai da turanci ɗan kaɗan da kana ji.
We arrested, we do robbery in Katamfe.
Okay. So how did you get there?
Katamfe.
So kai Hausa?
Na Abba invite me.
Who be Abba?
Na gang leader.
Na him na gang leader.
Yes.
All of una here.
Him and covered.
Okay. So what be your involvement? What you do that day?
At that day, now me I shoot.
You shoot Megad. Why you
man.
shoot the Megad?
He catch Abba. Some power cocoa.
Okay. He catch Abba. They fight with your gang leader.
Yes.
Now you shoot him.
Yes.
So after you shoot him, what think will happen?
I lay outside.
You be the guard. You the guard.
Yes.
They look if police go come.
Yes.
You go signal them.
Yes.
So they enter go
inside. Me I lay outside.
They enter inside.
Yes.
You there outside.
Yes.
They watch.
Yes.
All right. Waiting una carry for the police.
Me all.
All of una.
We carry car and laptop and iPhone and
phones.
Yes.
Una collect phones.
Yes.
Una no collect money.
Even some others if collect some things she go hide.
So all these people now they together.
No, maybe all.
So me kuna so ku ga wa Nigerians.
To dai laifi ne mai riga mun kuma wannan ba za mu ce wai kuskure bane, laifi ne saboda kusan intentional ne wannan. Muna neman afuwa, muna neman a yahe mana, a sauƙa mana.
So how many times una don rob for Abuja?
Abuja, me wannan na 3 times.
Eh?
Wannan na
3 times. Which area and which area?
This Katamfe.
For this same Katamfe?
No, Katamfe 1 and Zuba 1.
Zuba 1?
Yeah.
Okay. But you say una rob for Apotu. Now that one, Nabi?
Shi ne a na uku. Na abin ya suna wani? Eridas Hotel.
Una rob for where?
Eridas Hotel.
Eridas quarters?
Hotel.
Yes. Eridas Hotel?
Yes.
Apo?
Yes.
Okay. How much you don't make for this place? This your business? This your robbery? Nawa kuka samu?
To Abba da ya tura mana 200. Firstly yayi kudin laptop da wayoyi ya tura mana.
Okay, now Abba now they give the money.
Yes.
How much he don't give you?
He sent me 200,000.
200,000
Yes.
for this operation.
Yes.
The other one,
Well, I don't forget.
You don't forget.